Welcome to clickmyproject.com. The title of the project is Semantics-Based Automated Service Discovery. The service exists without explicit associated semantic descriptions. The semantics means exact the word switch to the hiding information of the services. We have using the services, WSTL services we have using. WSTL means web service defining or description language. Service discovery given the non-explicit service description semantic that match the specific service request. The user request to the one of the pod, the semantic based we have captured to the semantic based match the specific route or specific idea of the information. We get the information to the services. We propose a solution for achieving the functional level services categorization based on the ontology framework. Also, we utilize the clustering for accurately classifying the web service based on service functionality. The semantic-based categorization is performed with the universal description, discovery and integration. The semantic enhancement of the service request to achieve the better matching with the relevant services. The service request enhanced involve the expansion of additional terms. The terms we have using validate the efficiency mannerism and feasibility through the proposed system. Take on the 3 or more WSTL file. The WSTL file we have integrated to the web reference for the .NET. So the web application we have a reference to the web appliance. We can get the current update time and date, current update level of the services we have get it. The services we have get easily to attach the project. We have only for using the link basis. Let us see the flow diagram. First of all, the normal login for the user and the user registration we flow to the login page. Next, the service categorization. We have number of the WST file we taken. This WST file we have the categorization part first level. Each and every WST file we have communicate to the link for the WST in web reference. The web reference in all format with the XML. The XML format will be the input and output of the solution of the services. We are all about the hiding information. So we have get the hiding information from all the services or WSTL file. We get the information services. Then next the service information for all the services. What are they using for the services? We get the information. Service information will be allowed for the parameter basis. For existing system we have using to lot of the parameter we have including after get the services informations. Now we can get only one permissions or only one selected permissions, only one parameter we will pass. We get the more information for the entire services. Information fully hiding. The hiding information we have using to XML format. So we have retrieved to the parser mannerism what are the hiding information inside the services. Finally, we have matching to the semantic base. The parameter basis we head to the semantic based matching to the services. The hiding informations include a lot of the methods and a lot of the parameters including. We have easily matched to the one parameter. The one parameter was checking to the semantic matching. The semantic matching is checking true. We retrieve the information and we got the result. The information all from the WSTL file. The WSTL file generated two type of files. We have the object and hiding information files. Let us see the project demo. This is the main page of the project. We have the service information. What are the service process? This page we have easily introduction spot. Next the user login page. First of all login. We already log in. Click the sign in. This is the main page of the project. We have a weather discoverer, weather forecast and weather informations, currency services, proxy services and rank process. We have using the weather discover. The weather discover we have derived a lot of the code is there. This is the one parameter basics except we have just one parameter get the post component. This is the country information service. This service country discover. We see that 67105 is the code of the zip code for a UK basis. We have discovered to the Milan for the city and the state and the length. We have the information about the Milan and KS the state. The 27 and rank, what are the code for the ranking, and the fixed size is false and read only is true. The long length is 27. The information, we have the hiding information. So we get the information for the parameter basis, easily solved. Go to the home and the weather forecast. The forecast services discovering Milan KS. The weather station city is Vaishitya. The forecast result is W server forecast result. This service information I tell to the letter for your project, where from the services. Next to the response text, city, the found. So we have whatever we found, the response text will be show the city found. So the services will be success. Get the information, we get the success will be true. Suppose it's not get the information, the success will be fail. The weather information for the services. We select the same pieces of the not 5, get the post component. Let us see the city, state, weather ID, weather station ID, temperature, pressure of the state, city. We have know about the traveler. We have using the services. The Milan KS, so weather ID is told. The weather station city there. The temperature of the city. This the pressure of the city is the wind, and the wind child is nothing to avoid. We have reality, humidity is 76. Description very important. This is the cloud for. We have the weather information for the fair. Some more time we have the cloud sessions. We mention to the cloud automatically. The remarks, some more remarks we may mention. The remark will be show that we can get to the WSL services from get the information for the automatically process. It's not static process. Suppose the temperature and pressure will be modified for day and day. We have retrieved the correct temperature and pressure. Almost the description. What are the temperature and pressure? We have noted about that. Is temperature will be for cloud or fair, something hot. Is know about this is the weather information service. Next we go to the map. So the city map we have easily convert to the map what the Milan and KS the city. We have map what the US base where the city. This is the Milan KS 67105. Next the currency services. Lot of users we have mentioned to the currency services. We have using the currency services with the WSTL file. We have mentioned that. So US base and Russian bases. Just we have click the convert for your dollar. Give you your dollar 100. Convert to that. No one can explain to that one. This is the current position of conversion of the US based and Russian ruble. We have the price 31. We have minimum 31 rupees and maximum 31 3 for 55.91. This is the current date and time to update for the your value. So this is your amount for 100 in US dollar. We have the rupee amount is 3134. We have initially mentioned. We have the lot of the information and lot of the files we have done. The information of the files we have loaded to each and everything not get to the database type. So we have get to the WSL services. So we have using to the WSL services we get the information easily. The user not about the inside of the services. We not about to the calculation part anything. The services is easily calculate and current time trade to mention to the user. I check the Indian rupee converter, same procedure I converted. The last trade we have mentioned to the 7:20 PM. The minimum 54 rupees for our Indian currency and maximum 54 for 88. The same of the conversations. It's easily mentioned that this is the currency services. The WSTL we have using the lot of the information to the currency services. We get the easy to the services. We get the proxy services. The lot of the WSTL we have using the currency converter. Click the currency services. Click to the search. We get the information for the currency services. The hiding information will be shown. This is the information for WSTL file. This is WSTL link. We get the information for WSTL, get the information for the WSTL. This is the WSTL file we have including that. We get the information easily. This is the input output file we have getting the hiding information. User not know about the hiding. We have derived to the parser method. We have the HTTP request we passing and we get the processes. Finally, we have the rank process. The rank process using to the graph basis. The graph basis what are the services will be available and the service information. Service needed. The calculation what ended is that. We have easily mentioned to that. We have know about what are the services we know. Information will be known. Services needed will be known and available services known. The user mentioned the calculation for the feedback calculation there. Thank you.